Hey everyone, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida noted public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor, and I'm over at Annabelle Estates, which is over in Lake Wales, Florida, and it's close to the Bok Tower Garden. We're going to see a model from Richmond, which is the Slate, that's Richmond American Homes. There's a lot of stuff, but it's too windy to continue, so check out my website at richnotohomes.com or call me, email me, text me, and I'll get back to you. If you don't hear from me, one-way traffic. It's called the Slate, Richmond American. Oh, it's getting colder and colder. So this is the Slate 2,070 square feet. Let's go ahead and have a look. Why is it cold? It is cold. Okay, so when you first walk into the Slate, it feels pretty spacious. Now the Slate's going to come with the tile you see on the floor and the quartz countertops in the kitchen. Here's a bedroom. And here we have a half bath and a closet. And again, you know, it's so important to understand, to understand the build, to understand construction. Very important. Because without that, your house is never going to be built right. Yeah, and you have to understand that, home builders use the local contractors. So local contractors are building your house, and many of them are not qualified. So we got two nice bedrooms. Let me pop back in here because I start talking about construction. Yeah, this is a good sized bedroom because you can see off to the right and to the left, there's some extra furniture. Now this, I'm guessing this is the garage. Oh no, that's right, the sales office is the garage over here. So let's continue off to the left. And you can see this room has an ensuite, or if you want to call it an attached bath. So pretty nice, pretty spacious, but when you're talking about a single-story house that's like 2,000 something square feet, you're talking about a larger house. And here's the laundry room. So kitchen, living room, and dining room. Now again, it comes with the quartz countertops, and it comes with your dishwasher and your stove and your microwave, okay? But not the fridge. Here's your pantry. Now the funny thing is some people are so concerned about getting the best incentive out of a builder that they completely overlook the biggest expense, which is always a defective house. When you got to rip siding off of a house, or stucco, or if you had to get to the pipes underground, you're talking about a massive amount of money, So when you're talking about, incentives and stuff like that, that's the best incentive, a properly built house. There's no doubt about it. Because you got to get serious making repairs. I mean, you could have $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 gone before you even know it. And what most people also don't understand is that homeowners insurance, in my experience contacting them, they write off construction defects, meaning they're not paying you. They're not helping you with that. They just go, okay, it's a construction defect, new house construction defect. Nice big closet, look at that. Master bedroom. Good sized master bedroom, that's for sure. And here's the master bathroom. And here's the toilet. So a pretty good feeling bathroom. Feels spacious. It feels good. Like if two people were in here and somebody's using this or whatever, or they're at the sink, it feels like there's some good room. It doesn't feel like it's cramped. And this feels kind of nice too, if I didn't mention it. It has some good space to it. You can see there's a lot of couch over here. And there's a lot of furniture in this room too, for the most part, for its size. But it feels good, it feels spacious. Doesn't feel cramped. Ceiling is too high for me to touch, and I can usually touch a ceiling that's, I don't know, 8-foot ceiling or something like that. So I think that's about it. I think I covered everything in this model. Please check out my website, richnotohomes.com. You can find the inventory homes at the bottom of this community's page and every other page. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.